What if the answer to there being too much carbon in the atmosphere was growing right in front of us? With global temperatures continuing to break records and extreme weather events on the rise, researchers are paying closer attention to how the natural world could help store carbon and slow the pace of global warming.
I think carbon's recently been getting a really bad reputation because we talk about greenhouse gases and how much burning of fossil fuels has put the whole of the carbon cycle imbalanced, which is what causing the climate to warm up. Whereas actually when you put everything back in balance, carbon's the most important thing to do with life.
Here at Kew Gardens in London, a new permanent installation called Carbon Garden explores how carbon moves through ecosystems and how plants and fungi might help play a role in managing it.
A big part of this garden is the plant choice, making sure we're choosing the right things to reflect what we might be seeing in the climate in 20, 30 years' time. So for trees particularly, these are very, very long-lived plants. If we're planting something now that's going to be struggling in 20, 30 years' time, that's not a very sustainable choice. So Kew has done a lot of research into the kind of trees, the species particularly, that we should be planting that will thrive in those changed conditions. So they're really locking up carbon for the long term.
Right in the middle of the garden, just behind me, is a fungal-shaped pavilion. It's built from natural materials and designed to direct rainwater back into the soil. I'm told it's the first outdoor structure in the UK to have a flax roof derived from flax seeds, which you might have on your cereal. Nature won't solve climate change on its own, but the team here hope the garden will spark interest and wider conversations about the role it could play.